Let me tell you a truth about linear equations. Linear equations, equations which have lines. Let me tell you something. When you write a linear equation, suppose 3x plus 5y is equals to 6. Suppose you are writing. Okay. You are writing 3x plus 5y equals to 6. Sir, this is one linear equation. And it is in two variables. Then remember that these linear equation may in class 9, this is class 10, right? In class 9, we used to learn like this, that take out the value of y and x, take out 4 5 values of y and x. They used to teach us. Then what we used to do, we used to write we used to write 5y is equals to 6 minus 3x, y is equals to 6 minus 3x by 5. We used to do like this. Yes or no? We used to do like this. Then you used to put, if I put value of y, x is 1. Then 6 minus 3, value of x 1. Dimag mein 6 minus 3 into 1 by 5. 6 minus 3 is minus 3 by 5 will come. Yes or no? So value of y is minus 3 by 5. Then I will put 2. 6 minus 3 into 2 by 5. So 6 minus 3 into 2 is 6 minus 6 by 5 is equals to 0 by 5. So if you put 2, your answer will come 0. If you put minus 1, then 6 minus 3 into minus 1 by 5. So 6 plus 3, 9 by 5 it will come. So y is 9 by 5. Now continuously I will keep on putting and continuously I will keep on getting y. I'll put x, I'll get a y. I'll put x, I'll get a y. I'll put x, I'll get a y. So infinite numbers are there. I will get infinite. These are actually coordinates. 1 comma minus 3 by 5. 2 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 9 by 5. These are actually coordinates. If you can plot this, generally what we do, generally when we do sums in lower classes, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is a Cartesian plane. Generally, when we do sums in the lower classes, we do what? We select values so that we get here whole number values or integer values, so that easily we can plot. But here I did not take that trouble to find out. I am just saying that if you plot 1 comma minus 3 by 5, it will be in this side, this quadrant. Because this is plus, this is plus, this is plus value of x, this is plus value of y, this is minus value of x, this is minus value of y. I hope everybody knows this. So it will come here. Suppose 2 comma 0 will come here. And suppose minus 1 comma 9 by 5, no? Minus 1 comma 9 by 5 will come somewhere. But these two are somewhere here. 2 comma 0 x is 2 over 2 comma 0 will come here. And it will form a line actually like this. Now it has not become straight. Let me draw a straight line. So suppose this is a straight line. Now if you notice this straight line, there are infinite number of points in this straight line, yes or no? Do you agree with me? Yes. There are infinite number of points in this straight line. Each point has a unique coordinate. Each point has a x comma y, yes or no? These, do you know that these x comma y is actually satisfying this equation? The value of x you put, the value of y you put, the equation will be satisfied. Means LHS will be equal to RHS. Are you getting my point? This x comma y ka value you put, x comma y ka value you put, x comma y ka value you put, this equation will be satisfied. Whatever it is. Suppose there is another line, this one, and this is a different equation. Maybe suppose 2x plus 5y is equals to 9. Suppose, just for example, let's say. Then whatever the values of x and y, whatever the values of x comma y, whatever the coordinates of x comma y you are finding here, okay, all will be, you put here, this equation will be satisfied. But if you take any point from here and put it in this equation, this line ka equation, it will not be. Will it be satisfied? If you take any point from here and put it here, it will not be satisfied. If you take any point from here and put here, will it be satisfied? Yes or no? So any coordinate of this line will not satisfy this equation, or any coordinate of this line or any point or coordinate of any point of this line will not satisfy this equation. Will they? Yes or no? Tell me. It will never satisfy. But any coordinate of this line will satisfy this equation, or any coordinate of this line will satisfy. There is only one point here in your diagram, that is this point. Yes or no? Which will satisfy this equation. Understood? Huh? So I think the last part 1 video has become more clear from this explanation. Yes or no? Has it become more clear? Sure. So why, now if I ask you at the end of this video, why do you solve a linear equation? What will be your answer? We solve a linear equation to find out the solution. What is the meaning of the solution? The meaning of the solution is that the lines of the linear equations, they are linear equations representing lines in the Cartesian plane or geometrically representing lines, meet at a particular point, and that particular point has coordinates which are the solutions of the linear equation when we algebraically solve them. Is this clear up to this much? Huh? Let's go to next video and understand something more about it.